Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Windows 11 without Microsoft account and bypass Let's Add Your Microsoft account page here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is at the keyboard, press Shift key and F10 key together. Again, press Shift key and F10 key together and this window would appear. For here, you need to type for ncpa.cpl. Click on enter. And the moment you have the click on it, wait until you be redirected to the network connections. Okay, so here you need to disable the Wi-Fi that you are currently connecting to. So go with disabled. And once you have disabled it, close this window and proceed by typing the second command text, which is oobe /bypassnro. Click on enter. And the moment you have the click on it, there you'd be able to be redirected on the setting up of your Windows without Microsoft account. Okay. So you will see a window like this. So let me show you an example. So you just have to select the language that you would like to hear. Okay. So I'm just showing you a picture because the moment I will restart my computer, their record will be stopped. Okay. Anyways, I have already set up my account. I'm just showing you on how to set up without Microsoft account. Okay. So no worries for that. So select the language that you want to add in your keyboard. Okay. And the moment you have the click on it, click on yes. And after that, proceed by typing your name. Okay. So type your name, then type your password, and just have to agree. Click on yes, and agree all the next terms and conditions, agree all of that, and click on next. And there you go. You'd be able to start or open your Windows. Okay. Once you have opened your Windows, proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for network connections. The moment you have typed that, proceed with the best match, click on open to continue. And here you need to disable the Wi-Fi adapter that you have enable the Wi-Fi that you have disabled earlier. Okay, so it's now enabling. Just have to wait until it will be enabled here in our Windows. Once it is being enabled, close this window. Okay, and you're good to go. If you think this video then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.